Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by adding the Compose dependencies and enabling the compiler. This is the essential prerequisite that gets the toolchain working. Once done, open your app module build. Gradle. KTS, add the Compose BOM and the Androids. Compose, UI artifact and set Compose options. Kotlin compiler extension version. Then, make a simple main activity using set content my app, so you can iterate quickly. This immediate feedback loop is why we start with code, not lengthy setup. Now run a debug build to confirm compilation succeeds. You now construct composables and wire state management, because UI without predictable state breaks quickly. Start with small, focused at composable functions. Once done, lift state up to a view model and expose mutable state flow or live data. Use remember and remember savable for transient UI values and collect as state in composables so they react to changes. For screens, add navhost with composable routes and keep navigation logic in a single place. This makes transitions testable and keeps recompositions efficient. Make sure to use keys in lazy lists to avoid visual glitches. You finish by polishing performance, adding tests, and preparing to ship. These final steps catch regressions early. First, profile recompositions and move expensive work out of composables using derived state of or snapshot flow. Then, write unit tests for view model logic and UI tests with create Android compose rule to assert semantics and interactions. Finally, if visuals or state misbehave, enable recomposition counts and use layout inspector plus simple logging to trace state updates. This single troubleshooting approach often reveals misplaced state or costly recompositions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.